You're on.
Hi, this is Vito from Jersey, and this is Thanksgiving Day. You see my turkey over here? We're going to cut this nice and nice, right? This is my son Vito. Say hi, Vito.
Hello.
This is my beautiful wife Peggy, which a lot of you have seen before. See the dimples?
Happy Thanksgiving.
That's why I married her, for the dimples. Give me a kiss. Here's my son Dominic. Say hello, Dominic.
Hi.
He's my talkative one. This is my son-in-law James.
How you doing?
He's from Brooklyn. You know, so with Jersey, Brooklyn, you know, the whole Italian thing. Look at this food my wife made. Look at this, and my daughter too. But she's taking the pictures. Taking the pictures so she doesn't...
Hi everybody, happy Thanksgiving.
Look at the turkey. Look at the biscuits my daughter made. Nice. Look at, not burnt. Usually when I do it, I burn them. Right? My wife made stuffed mushrooms. See the stuffed mushrooms? Take a picture with Dominic stuffing up on the turkey over there. Right? Look at the stuffing. This is one of the things my wife... Your hands out of there, Fangul. But take it with the thing. You know? Look at this, huh? So listen. This is Vito from Jersey and James from...
Brooklyn.
Vito from...
Jersey.
Peggy from...
Jersey.
Dominic...
Jersey.
Jersey. We all say, Happy Thanksgiving!
Left.